Today, I want to talk about how to change your name on a bank account, specifically with Santander Bank. So, if you've recently changed your name due to marriage, divorce, or for any other reason, it's important to update your information with your bank to avoid any complications with your account. With Santander Bank, the process is pretty straightforward. First, you'll need to visit your local Santander branch and bring along some key documents, including your marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order that officially changed your name. You'll also need to bring a form of photo identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Once you're there, the bank representative will guide you through the necessary paperwork and may ask you to fill out a name change request form. They'll also update your personal details in their system and issue you a new debit card and checks with your updated name. Keep in mind that some additional verification steps may be required, so it's always best to call ahead and confirm exactly what you need to bring. And that's it. It's a simple process, but it's important to make sure your bank account reflects your current legal name.